Hi everyone! This may be the first time that you've been invited to a Zoom with your teachers. The first thing we need to make sure that you have is the Zoom app. If you go to self-service, you should be able to find it as Zoom Cloud Meetings. Just search for Zoom. Once you have the app installed on your device, go to your teacher's course in Schoology and find where they've shared the link with you. You can see mine says click to join our Zoom session. When I do, it's going to pop open a window and ask me to copy and paste into Safari or Chrome. I don't need to do that. Down here at the bottom right corner, you will see a little sharing arrow. I'm going to tap that share arrow and say open in Safari. Safari will then prompt me to go ahead and open the page in Zoom and take me into the Zoom app. The first time that you've ever joined a meeting using the app, it's going to ask you to enter your name. It's going to default to be the name of your iPad. However, if you would please change that to include just your first name and last initial, or your first and last name. No nicknames, please. And continue. Then you'll be prompted to give Zoom the access to the camera. This is important so that it works. Make sure that you say OK. Once you've shared your camera, it will ask you if you want to join this meeting with or without video. I'm going to have you join without video. If your teacher would like you to turn your video on, they will give you permission to do so once you've joined the meeting. You can see as soon as I'm in the meeting, it's going to ask me if I would like to access the microphone. Again, say OK, and then for notifications, you can say don't allow. In order to join that meeting and you want to choose the option for using internet audio. So that first top option is what you're going to select so that you can hear and speak to others on the call. Once you're connected, you're all set. You'll notice here once I'm in the meeting, I can switch to gallery view and see both people who are connected. I can switch back to the main screen to see my teacher's presentation or them on the large screen. I hope that helps you get started using Zoom with your class.